Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning off the Windows hypervisor because Roblox flags VM environments to prevent tampering. Open an elevated command prompt and run bcedit/set hypervisor launch type off, then reboot. Once done, make sure Task Manager Performance reports virtualization as disabled. After reboot, launch Roblox with Run as administrator. This step removes the most common system-level VM fingerprinting, so you can quickly tell whether higher-level features like sandboxing or third-party hypervisors are still causing the detected error. Once the hypervisor is off, you need to remove residual virtualization layers and drivers that still present a VM fingerprint. Uninstall VirtualBox, VMware, WSL2, and disable Windows Sandbox from optional features. Also turn off core isolation memory integrity to remove virtualization-based security hooks. Then delete the Roblox local cache at %localAppData %bec/Roblox and reinstall the client to ensure no corrupt configuration remains. These steps strip out both user-installed and Windows-provided virtualization surfaces that trigger Roblox's detection logic. You finish by verifying firmware-level virtualization and security settings. If Roblox still detects a VM, reboot into BIOS/UEFI and disable VTX or AMDV to remove any low-level virtualization presence, then boot and test. Also add Roblox to your antivirus and firewall exclusions and update Windows plus chipset/VM drivers. If the problem continues, create a fresh Windows user profile or restore to a point before virtualization tools were installed. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing works, a clean OS reinstall eliminates hidden drivers and definitive false positives.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.